market. So when I looked at the chart yesterday night, I saw that there were one, two, three, four, five, six, seven bull bars. That happened, right? And then we were having a pullback, and that's when I said that okay, we'll see 5313 in the morning. Then in the morning, when I saw that we stayed above 8.4, we were staying above 9496. I was of the opinion that we are expecting an inside day and which will not be red. The 9496 area has to hold. But I was still not confident right there. I wanted the zero 05 to zero 07 level to be taken out because that was the double bottom level on the daily that got taken out today. However, let us take a look at what happened. So this was the daily chart, right? And if you see, this was our support. I don't know why I marked it in green, in red. Let me mark this. Yeah. So this was a strong support, right? We came here, we bounced off of it, and we had the 84 line, which is the generic 84 line, which you see we went and closed above the 84 line, and we never dropped below that. So this itself was a pretty good bullish signal for me because we are in a bullish market, right? So the bulls are not going to give up so easily. And then when I saw that we went above this 9496 area and we were loitering there all morning, that is where I thought that okay, this is going to go up. However, I did not trade in the ETA charts. I do not trade in the ETA charts, so I did not change that today as well. But since we opened on the ETH so far away from the EMA, my first idea was that it is going to pull back, and pull back it did. We shot it right at the open. We shot it right at the open, and we were at 3.5 at that time. I keep my stop loss at around 10 because I entered with only one contract, and then I entered again below this candle, below the close of candle number 4, and we exited right at 9.5 again when it came and touched our support here. This is the other support at this point. So these are marked in red because yesterday when we were coming down, I kept on marking them in red. So we it got the support here, and then we had a strong inside bar. I went long above it again. The stop loss was tight this time, right below this candle, because we just had the news at 10 o'clock, right? So I did not know what kind of reaction was going to come out of the news. So I held on, and then this was a good move up, but still we could not close above the bar one, right? However, if you see, we created a body gap here. Now, the body gap did not get created with the third bull bar, but it's a bear bar, but it's a very weak bear bar. So I held on to it. At this point of time, when we were here, I actually put my stop loss below this candle, and it kept going up, and I took my first profit at 13 because I knew 13 was a very good support and resistance line, and I did not expect the market to go above 13 today. I thought this will be a very short opportunity, and I was waiting for the second entry short, which never came. And now, if I put my line here, this is the line that we broke out, right? Once we broke out of this line, we created a breakout gap here. This is my breakout gap. So this was the first body gap, and then this is the breakout gap. And with the breakout gap, we went up till here. We took profit at 25 because that was the next profit target, right? I went long here, and we came out at 25 again. So once we came out of 25, after that, I did not find any follow through after 25 that will take us to 33. I did not take any short trades. There were many scalps here possible because this was acting as a very good support. Even if you see here, we broke this down, but there was no follow through, and the bulls tried to go up there again. Now, if the 13 area breaks down once again, we may come down and test this, and if the bears are too strong, we may come down here as well. And then my premises of a green RTH day is gone. But however, I do not think that we will be coming down here. I don't think 13 will break down, but you never know, right? If the bears are strong at the end of the week and they want to take as much profit as possible, the bulls, if the bulls were stuck here at 25, the bulls did come out, and the bears now, if they want to and if they can, they will bring down to any of the levels too. But since this was in a very tight TR, I did not trade anything today, and also considering the fact that after 12 o'clock on Friday, I do not trade. So once this area got done, I had nothing else to do. So that was the only trades that we took this morning. We took the first short here, came out at 9.5. We went long here again, we came out at 13. We went long here again, came out at 25. So those were the only three trades that we took. I was thinking that we will get another jump from here and we can go till here. But if you see, we created the bear gap here. Now we never could close above the bear gap to convince me that we can go up, right? So we have to keep looking for these body gaps, the breakout gaps that are happening, and keep on marking them on the chart, whichever time frame you are comfortable with. Look at that at that time frame. However, keep an eye on the higher time frame also, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, and have an idea of what is going on in those time frames, so that you do not get trapped in the 5 minutes chart, right? Okay, so that was it for me today. Again, we do not have the webinar this weekend. However, I will be live streaming on the Discord channel from 8:45 to 9 starting Tuesday next week. And we will do the pre-market analysis there. We will have our pre-market plan presented there. If you are not on Discord, there is a link in the description. You can join from there. And the link to the Facebook page is also given in the description. So that's it for me, guys, for today. Have a wonderful long weekend, and I will see you guys back on Tuesday. Bye.